The Bournemouth Writing Prize is growing. It starts with the students and the staff reading all the entries, making key decisions before we pass it along to our judges, people from industry, some of the top agents and editors out there.
We are collaborating again with the university to create something which is much, much bigger and better.
Now we have this big auditorium full of people celebrating along with us. That's allowing us to do a lot of things. So we're tripling the prize money.
The overall winners and the shortlisted entries all get professionally published in an anthology. You read out your winning entry with a live band.
The primal side within, the chiral tides of kin.
Her hair was scrambled egg without the toast.
The wax behaves itself. The feathers meld to the curve of the metal skeleton and stick fast.
There's so much opportunity to get involved.